Meaning of Dunedin.
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 Dunedin. Dunedin is a city in New Zealand, located on the southeastern coast of the South Island. The name Dunedin is derived from the Gaelic language, with Dunedin meaning Edinburgh in Scotland. This name was given to the city by the early Scottish settlers who established the area in the mid-19th century. Today, Dunedin is known for its vibrant cultural scene, historical landmarks, and natural beauty, including the nearby Otago Peninsula, which is home to a variety of wildlife such as penguins, seals, and albatrosses.